In today's video tutorial, I'm gonna walk you through how to add Lightbox or pop-up in Wix website. First, open the interface and click on Add Elements. Then, choose the interactive option and click on Welcome. This action will lead you to the desired website. Next, proceed to modify the overlay background by selecting a color according to your preference. Additionally, expand the interface and rearrange the elements to make necessary adjustments. Now, include the button and customize it based on your liking. Also, add an X button. Afterward, switch to the exit mode, add a button, and edit it accordingly. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.